Every time your team manually sends a booking confirmation, raises an invoice, or chases a payment, your business is paying for that job twice. Once for the work, and again for all the admin around it. The problem isn't that admin is hard. It's that most admin is predictable, and predictable work should be automated. Job confirmed, booking confirmation goes out. Every time. Job completed, invoice raises. Every time. Invoice sent, payment reminder fires at day 7. Every time. These steps happen the same way, in the same order, for every job. And yet most service businesses still do them manually. The system admin workflow automation changes the structure. Every predictable step is connected to a job stage trigger. When the stage changes, the action fires automatically. Your team stops sending confirmations and starts handling the conversations that require judgment. Your invoices go out the same day the job is completed, not 2 days later. Your payment reminders run on schedule, whether admin is stretched or not. The repeatable work runs itself. The team focuses on everything that actually needs a human in the loop. Stop paying for the same job twice. Book your free AI business audit, and we'll show you the 3 leaks costing you time each week.